unnaro. Hope everyone is doing great. Today is day 2 here in Vizag, one of my favorite cities, and it's almost 10:30 right now. Just took a nice hot shower. Missing gym last night. We got really late. Coming back from Araku, literally 6 hours up and down. With those things aside, and finally I could upload my video today. It's gonna come in another 10 minutes. Let me make my hair and I'll see you guys. I always get too much of protein powder. This much is not required for 3 days. But that's okay. It's better to have more than not having at all, right? Problem is I don't know how many grams it's gonna be, but one scoop usually is somewhere around 25 to 26 grams. We need 30 grams. So I think... Oh, by the way, I have my protein shaker, but then I don't like too much of water in my protein, so I like it thick, you know, like a milkshake. If I put too much of water, it becomes tasteless. Now it looks like a proper chocolate milkshake. When you come with parents, what do? You have to go to temples, which I don't mind. I definitely like doing that once in a while. I will be going to a place called Simhachalam here. Actually, I don't know the plan properly. Let's talk to my mom and dad and then decide. For now... अरे जाग्रत्त रे कैमरा पगल కొడతావా ఏంది One pro traveler tip I can give you. Even if you're staying at a very good hotel, put all your belongings in the locker that is provided by the hotel. That is very important because you can trust good hotels, but the thing is, later if something happens, you'll have to file a complaint, you have to search who took it, you have to take out the camera footage. All this is very irritating. It's better first you take care of your things. I'm not saying they're gonna steal and all that. Still, it's better you take care of your own belongings. And second thing, if you put it somewhere here on the table and just leave, they come to clean the room, right? What if they drop it? So to avoid all these things, just take your important things along with you, or else put it in the locker and go. Best. I always thought only my friends are late. Even my parents are late. 11:40. 8 minutes late. They said they'll start by 11:30 sharp.
Yesterday he was half an hour late.
I told before that I'll be late. I informed before. They didn't. They told 11:30 will pakka leave. Next time when he asks me why are you late, I'll remind this. We have video proof, okay? Hotel room lo water ettukochestunnu.
Why to buy? This is free of cost.
We paid no.
Chinese fellow made us to wear this, you know.
Oh, very beautiful climate. A little bit hazy. No clarity in the sky. But chalega, this is the best you can get. Where did I park my car? Oh, yesterday we parked it down in the cellar. Marchpena. Finally, one subscriber found me.
Hi, hello.
2 subscribers found me here. దొరికినా ఫైనల్లీ ఎట్లా దొరికినా
యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా రీసెర్చ్ చేసాము.
ఏం రీసెర్చ్ చేశారు చెప్పండి.
అశోక్ అంకుల్ జిమ్ చేస్తున్న వీడియో పెట్టారు. సో అందులోని జిమ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కనిపించింది. ఆ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ మేము అన్ని హోటల్స్ జిమ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్స్.
Anyway, nice meeting you guys. Admin of Sriman Kotaru Memes Vizag. There is our beautiful Varna. You know, suddenly I started falling in love with this car here, especially since yesterday after I drove it on the Ghats. Mad. This car is like mad in the Ghats. Car is like looking next level dirty, you know, like a proper off-road. కార్ బాగుందా బయట నుంచి?
నేను రాత్రి తుడిచిపెట్టినా, మా కొడుకు పండిండు. తుడిచిపెట్టినా మంచిగా.
అట్లానే ఉంది.
మొత్తం మడ్డి ఉండే ఫుల్.
తుడవద్దు, అట్లనే పోవాలి ఇంటికి. అప్పుడే తెలుస్తుంది తిరిగినట్టు.
మీ బైక్ లో పోవాలట.
మెమరీస్ అది మట్టి మెమరీస్.
ఇప్పుడు వైజాగ్ నుంచి తీసుకుపోదాం మట్టి. నీకోసం అరకు వ్యాలీ మట్టి టైర్లకు పెట్టిన, దాన్ని వదలి తీర.
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ పోతున్నాం? నన్ను గుడికి తీసుకుపోతున్నాం.
గుడికి
సింహాచలం. సింహాచలం. I don't mind going to temples once in a while. I think 20-30 minutes from here. వైజాగ్ లో పాట ఏమొస్తుంది చూడు. అరే నా కార్పొరేట్. Okay, first plan is to go to Simhachalam temple. Mom and Navinaka want to do that. Second plan is to from there go to Beamley Resort, beach resort. Yeah, there we'll be having lunch, right? ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాక చూసుకోవాలి కార్ పరిస్థితి. ఇక్కడంతా మజా చేసినాం కానీ బాగా తిప్పిన ఏసీ కార్ని. టైర్లు సంగతి, షాక్ అబ్జర్వర్ సంగతి, లాస్ట్ 3 years ఎంత కాపాడాను కార్ని. నేను ఒక్క రోజులో మొత్తం అయిపోయింది అది. Looking very packed. I don't think we should be going inside, especially because of this COVID. Can't do darshan for sure. It seems we have to take tickets and come, and ticket line itself is like so huge.
లేదండి
ఏం లేదు,
Too much of crowd. We decided not to go. ఎట్లా లోపట? These people went a little bit till the gate.
చాలా రష్ ఉంది, సోషల్ డిస్టెన్స్ లేదు. వచ్చేసి బయటికి దండం పెట్టుకున్నాం.
ఏంటి మొనాస్ట్రీ పేరు? అపారెంట్లీ వి కేమ్ టు దిస్ బుద్ధిస్ట్ మొనాస్ట్రీ. ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్, గుర్తులేదు, ఇట్స్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్. ఈ పేరు ఏంటిది? తోట్లకొండ. తోట్లకొండ Buddhist monastery. What I see is a very beautiful viewpoint. From here you can see the entire beach, the Beemli beach. Actually there is a better view from that side. Let's go that side. My Vizag trip is never complete without coming to the beach. I thought at this time I'll not come to the beach, but finally we came to this Beemli resort, Novotel Beemli resort for lunch. Pretty basic lunch. I had my typical chicken fillet and all that. Apparently mom told me there is something interesting here. Huh?
ఇక్కడ నీళ్ళు వస్తాయి చూడు, శ్రీరామ.
Okay. Mom says if you write Sri Rama on the beach where there's no water coming, once you write that, definitely water will come and wash it away. I don't know how true is that. Let's see. For now water is stopping till there. Mom wrote it here. నువ్వైతే ఉడిపేస్తున్నావు. అక్కడ రాస్తే మరి అక్కడ పక్క వస్తాయి. అక్కడ కాదు, ఇక్కడ రాస్తే ఇక్కడ రావాలి. రావట్లే అంటే నువ్వు దగ్గర రాస్తావా? అక్కడ రావట్లేదు అంటే ఇక్కడ రాస్తావు. అక్కడ రాస్తే ఎట్లయినా వస్తాయి నీళ్ళు. ఓ పని చేయి, అక్కడ రాసి బకెట్తో నీళ్ళు పోయి. నువ్వు స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్స్ రాస్తే రావు. ఓ పని చేయి, అందరూ రాయి. ఇంకెక్కడ రాస్తా, అక్కడ పక్క వస్తుంది. నువ్వు ఎక్కడ రాస్తే రావట్లే. వేరే వచ్చి రైటింగ్ ఇస్ నాట్ కమింగ్. అక్కడ రాసావా? కొండ వచ్చేసింది. ఎక్కడ రాసి అక్కడ రావట్లేదు. ఎవరు చెప్పారు నీకు ఇవన్నీ? అక్కడ అన్ని నీళ్ళు అయిపోయినాయేమో. ఎక్కడెక్కడ రాసావు? బీచ్ లో నక్కెళ్ళి ఉంటాయి. ఫైనలీ సక్సెస్ బట్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ చీటింగ్.
నో చీటింగ్. బజరంగ బలికి జై రాజా శ్రీరామ.
అక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేసావు, మెల్లగా మొత్తం సముద్రంలో రాసావు.
వెళ్ళిందా లేదా?
ఆ సముద్రంలో రాస్తే ఎట్లనే పోతుంది. First thing I want to know is, how did you people know that I'm here?
Bro, I will let you know. Actually,
You will get shocked, bro. Really be amazed, bro.
actually, we also created
Group, bro.
searching for Sriman.
And also,
And see,
Okay, they created a
we put
WhatsApp
a
group called Sriman.
So you kept this photo right in Instagram. So
This
we
video.
saw this curtains and we searched for this. We searched for some
Similar curtains.
You put a story yesterday, na? So we searched for those curtains.
So they
like
picked up a picture from
yeah, so many.
Instagram, yeah.
Instagram and maps.
so many pictures.
nice.
Bro, just look at my timeline. I'll just each and every video I'll see.
He also owns a YouTube channel.
Yeah,
He recently
I just started this
channel.
YouTube channel called Hitesh Pagdala Vlogs with 500 subscribers. You won't believe who I met now. So I'm with the great.
What's up guys? कैसे हो?
Great.
But really good. They really created a group that's unbelievable. Like seriously. Okay, back to the room. ఇది చూసి గుర్తుపట్టేస్తారు. See, it's not that I don't want you guys to come and meet me. I would definitely love to meet you guys. But then in this situation, I don't want people to gather. It's not good for you guys. It's not good for me. Anyway, ఇంకా నాకు అసలు అర్థమైతలేదు. లిటరలీ ఈ కర్టన్ చూసి ఎట్లా రా బాబు. యాక్చువల్గా మీ అందరికి జాబ్స్ ఇవ్వాలి పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో. యూ విల్ పక్కా హెల్ప్ ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ గెట్ ఎనీ క్రిమినల్ ఆన్ దిస్ ప్లానెట్. కర్టన్ రా, ఈ కర్టన్ చూసి ఎట్లా రా గుర్తుపట్టింది. Anyways, coming to the point, today is the last day here. Early morning, or I don't know, maybe after breakfast we'll be leaving and we'll be heading back to Amaragar, Hyderabad. Anyways, till then, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. In case you have liked this video, do hit the like button. And I'm planning to travel more with my family. You guys tell me, should I do more? I mean, I will definitely do because I liked it. But should I vlog all that with my parents' car trips? In case you like that, I'll definitely vlog it and put it on my channel. Anyways, for all the efforts, hit the like button, hit the share button, hit subscribe first. See you guys tomorrow morning. Tata, take care. What's up guys, कैसे हो? Alana, I hope everyone is doing great. It's a bit still sleepy. Today's the last day here, leaving right now in another 10 or 15 minutes. About to pack. Mom is getting worried, are packing ka jayledentani, but she doesn't know that Sriman Kotaru is a pro in packing. 5 minutes or 10 minutes I need just to put everything into the suitcase and we are good to go. I need to change my t-shirt and I think I'll drive like this only with the shorts because comfort is more important than style. Nice and super sunny outside. You know, one advantage you have when you travel with your parents, that's what I learned in this trip. Everything you need is always there. You don't need to worry about if you got something or not in your baggage because definitely mom or dad will carry everything you need. Actually, you know, traveling with my friends is also not a problem because especially if you have people like Chaitanya, they'll carry every damn thing. Pura medical shop, pura Ratnadeep, everything will get in all his 3 boxes. Checking out, time is around 11 o'clock almost. 11:23 by night we should reach 12 hours 650 kilometers.
Now we are ready for everything.
Straight roads కదా అట్లనే అంటారు. గుట్టలు ఎక్కిస్తే చెప్పండి బై బై వైజాగ్.
Bye bye Vizag. Bye. See you next
Bye
year.
bye Vizag.
See you next year. గుట్టలు చూస్తేనే భయం వేస్తుంది. Okay, finished around I think, okay, I don't know how many kilometers was finished because GPS is not working and internet is very slow here. I think we have done 2 hours 16 minutes from the hotel. We are here at one restaurant and oh yes, I'm filling some water for the wiper. Khatam ho gaya wiper ka pani. And especially on the highways you definitely need to keep wiping the windshield. Seriously, 2 liters of water inside this. We're gonna pack some lunch. Actually plan was to take lunch from the hotel but that didn't happen. This is the only good restaurant you can find on the highway. So let's pack some lunch and get out. ఇప్పుడే తీసినప్పుడే మంచి కూర్చొని బిర్యానీ తింటారు. నా టిఫిన్ బాక్స్లోకి హాట్ వాటర్ మాత్రం తీసుకురాలి. దే డిడ్ంట్ గెట్ మై హాట్ వాటర్. మామ్ ఫర్గాట్. మార్నింగ్ I said I don't need to worry about anything because mom and dad will get everything for me. I don't need to worry about packing. And they forgot. They are eating biryani. I got my tiffin box but it's dry oats. I don't have hot water so I'm not eating. Maybe on the highway I'll check for some coffee shop if I find it. Okay, otherwise protein bar. Abhi I had some protein bar. I think it's over. This is the last one I have. Let's see, no problem. Worst case I'll put cold water and have my oats.
మా కొడుకు డిపెండ్ అవుతాడు మమ్మీ మీద ఎప్పుడు. స్మాల్ కిడ్, మా నైషు ఏజ్ వాడు. నాకు అరుగుతుందో లేదా నా కొడుకు నన్నే చూస్తున్నాడు అప్పటి నుంచి.
అలాంటివి నాకేం ఇష్టం లేదు. I'm not interested in biryani. By the way, we stopped somewhere on the highway. I think we finished. Correctగా రూట్ చూపిద్దాం అన్నప్పుడే ఇంటర్నెట్ రాదు. 231 kilometers from the hotel. 446 kilometers left. 11:40 we should reach. Pace is good. 8 hours 17 minutes. ఇంకా 8 గంటలు గూడ్స్ స్టాల్ మీద. Finally reached home. Time is around 12 o'clock, exactly 12 o'clock. Actually, Vizag to Hyderabad, the road was fine. For a quick thing, someone asked me about the mileage I'm getting on the highway. I got 15.6 kilometers for a liter, including the city. While I was coming in, there was a little bit of traffic. Here you go.